In this video, I'm going to discuss 3 subtraction strategies. Throughout Chapter 5, you're going to learn several different subtraction strategies. But in my experience as a second grade teacher, these are the 3 that most students choose to use. So this chapter, as we study subtraction and different strategies, these will be 3 that I'm going to discuss a lot. Drawing a picture, using a number line, and constant difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 2 problems using these 3 strategies. Okay, the first problem I'm going to do with a black pen. And the first problem is 55 minus 8. Okay, and that'll be my black pen on the left. So 55 minus 8. I'm going to zoom in a bit. And I'm going to start with drawing a picture. So I'm going to draw the larger number, T-chart, tens and ones, and I'm going to draw 55. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Okay, now I need to subtract 8. Yes, 8. So the problem is that I don't have 8 ones, but I do know that 110 is made up of 10 ones. So I'm going to break this 10 into ones, which is the same thing you do when you regroup on a traditional algorithm, like when you stack it. All right, now that I've drawn that 10 and I've marked it out, I'm going to mark out 8 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8. You must write and draw very neatly, or you could find the wrong answer. Now all I have to do is count how many are left. 5, 6, 7, 4 10. So my answer is 47. All right, the second way I'm going to show you to do that same problem is a number line. So with a number line, you draw a number line with the small number on the left and the large number on the right. Just like if this was a 1 and this was a 10, the smaller number is on the left. All right, the first thing you do is you jump to the nearest 10. So the nearest 10 to 8 is 10. That was 2. 8 to 10 is 2. All right, then you jump to the last 10. So the last 10 before 55 is 50. All right, from 10 to 50, let's count. 20, 30, 40, 50. That's 4 10s, which is 40. Now, how far from 50 to 55? That's right, 5. So 40 plus 5 is 45, plus 2 more is 47. We got the same answer here and here. Now, if you get different answers on different strategies, then one of them is wrong. All right, the last strategy is constant difference. This is how this works. All right, the way that you do this strategy is you try to get the smaller number to a full 10. So in this situation, how much does 8 need to get to 10? That's right, it needs 2. If I add 2 to 8, I'm going to add 2 to 55. So 55 plus 2 is 57, and 8 plus 2 is 10. Well, it's pretty easy to subtract 57 minus 10. That is 47, 47, 47. So I used 3 different strategies, and I got the same answer. All right. I'm going to do this with one other problem, and I'm going to use a blue marker. On this problem, I'm going to do 44 minus 7. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture. 10s and 1s. Draw the bigger number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Now I have to mark out 7. I don't have enough 1s, so I'm going to regroup. How many 10s is in 110? Let me rephrase that. How many 1s are in 110? That's right, 10. So I draw 10 ones. All right, mark out 7. 5, 6, 7. I don't have any 10s to mark out. If this had been maybe 27, I would mark out 2 more 10s, but I don't have any more, so I'm finished. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. So my answer is 37. All right, let's try it on a number line and see if we get the same answer. So we're going to put the smaller number 7 on the left and the larger number 44 on the right. We're going to jump to the nearest 10, which is 10. We're going to jump to the last 10, which is 40. Now 10 to 40, 20, 30, 40. That's 30. And then 40 to 44 is 4. If this strategy does not make sense to you yet, or this strategy does not make sense to you yet, don't worry. I'm going to go over it a lot. But these are the most efficient besides actually doing the standard algorithm. All right, so 34, 35, 36, 37. So again, I got 37. I got 37 here. I got 37 here. So that's the right answer. All right, the last way I'm going to show you is constant difference. Constant, you add or subtract the same thing to each number. Difference, it helps you find the difference. So our problem is 44 minus 7. I'm going to get the smaller number to the nearest 10. So I'm going to add 3 and add 3. If this had been 12, I could subtract 2. All right, but it's not. So 10, 47. All right, 47 minus 10 is 37. So I got the same answer 3 times on both problems. So that is the right answer. All right, remember, Chapter 5, we're going over different subtraction strategies.